Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, June 27th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly time frame, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the monthly, I am definitely still very bullish. I think this is the end of a wave C right here. This is very clearly to me a 1, a 2, and a wave 3, and I do still believe the most likely place for a wave 3 to go is the 161.8. Puts us all the way up to about $2,500 before we actually make a wave 4 and potentially make a big wave 5. Basically, what that tells me is we're probably anywhere from 6 months to a year or more away from this actually ending an uptrend. Going down to the weekly time frame is where we can clearly see a wave 1, a wave 2, and I think this is all subdivisions of a wave 3 from that point on. Maybe this is a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, a 3 of 3, a 4 of 3, and then it's probably going to go up for a wave 5 of wave 3, all the way up to the 161.8 Fibonacci extension. So heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, like I've been saying for a while now, I mean there is a possibility that it does go down and make a bigger, more proper looking ABC like this before it actually does go up. Definitely a possibility, and I do always try to keep the bullish and bearish scenarios in mind, but I'm still thinking that if this was a wave C, then it would be way more impulsive to the downside. To me, it looks more like this is an ABC correction to this move up. I think that this could be even like a leading diagonal wave 1. I think this is possibly even a wave 2. I think there's a pretty good chance this is going to go up for a wave 3, probably a wave 3 of wave 5, just like I was explaining on the weekly time frame. Heading down to the 4-hour time frame is where we got our Fibonacci retracement on the last push down, because we know that if we can identify the end of this last push down, then we probably also identified the end of this whole move. And if this really is like a wave 1 and this really is a wave 2, if this goes up and starts breaking structure, that pretty much proves to me that the wave 2 is over and that we're probably back into an uptrend for a wave 3. But if it doesn't break structure and it bounces from a fib level, we should definitely still be looking for shorts. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I was just explaining, if it goes up and breaks the high, breaks the structure, then that pretty much proves to me that this is possibly the end of a wave 2, possibly the end of a wave C. If it doesn't go up and break structure, but instead goes up to a Fibonacci level, makes a very impulsive engulfing move to the downside, then I would actually continue to look for shorts until we either get that break of structure or we get another sorting opportunity. There's always a chance, like I was explaining on the daily, that this just keeps on making lower lows, lower highs. And if it does continue to go down, then we definitely want to continue to look for 1, 2, 3-way pullbacks, Fibonacci bounces, engulfing moves down, and preferably a break of structure to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. The trend is definitely not proven to be back up yet, at least until we start getting some breaks of structure, which we definitely do not have as of yet. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and access to my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.